Hi guys, so we're here today with what's your name?
Frederick Aquino.
And what age are you and from what department?
I'm currently 21 years old from CCS department.
Okay, so I have a few questions for you if that's okay.
Okay.
So, how was your experience during the Founders Week celebration?
So far, masadya man. Nag-try kami sa psych booth. Ang ilang nga do escape room hunt for tinging a game. Sadya man, pero wala naman natapos. So, medyo sad. Kaya wala naman nakuha ang prize.
I see. That's unfortunate, pero good luck na lang sa sunod.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the fun that you had during the Founders?
Para sa akon, I'll give it siguro a 9. Although masadya ang ang tanan, pero may something ang kulang eh. So ang kulang is ang kinapakita ang League of Legends kay sports tani. Kaya mo nang gina-look forward ako yung lantaw, pero since wala man, so okay naman. So overall sadya man sa considering sa mga other aspects.
Ako mga 9 man kay ara man tanan nga events kag ang hindi ko lang ma-enjoy is gasabay abi ang nami man tanawon kag ang interested ko nga gusto tanawon like sa ano to yung cinephone. Oo, hindi wala ko dabi na watch kag dabi kami sa volleyball sa Gadululungan.
So mabuday ka man pili kung hindi ka ma-support.
Yes.
How was your experience during the Founders Week celebration?
It was fun kay damo-damo kami na experience kag lalo na gid sa our booth kay damo-damo gid kami napasadya din nga tawo.
Masadya man kay damo man diri sa mga event and damo sa mga baligya nga pang-entertain.
I'm just gonna ask you a few questions about your Founders Week, about the Founders Week, okay? So, how was your experience during the Founders Week celebration?
My experience was kind of exhausting since I'm injured, but it was still fun because of the activities that was held.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the fun that you had during the Founders?
9 out of 10.
Ang last question, what was your favorite part of the entire Founders Week celebration?
Pagfa siguro naman sa litmus, literary musical.
Thank you.
Thank you.